Hi Coach, my name is Olivia, and in this CoachVantage tutorial, I will show you how you can tag contacts. Adding tags to contacts makes your contacts more easily searchable. From your dashboard, simply select Contacts on the left-hand side of your screen to get started. To search for a tagged contact, enter the tag name in the search bar here on the main contacts page. For example, if I type in the tag Wellness Coach, you will see the options displayed here. You'll also see that there's a specific tags column. When thinking about how to tag your contacts, here are some ideas to help you get started. You might want to quickly identify the goals that your clients have set for themselves. For example, you could use tags such as acceptance, leadership, etc. This would allow you to quickly identify clients with specific goals and invite them to your coaching program that could help them with their goals. Another idea is if you have a valuable customer who particularly benefited from your coaching program, you could use the tag testimonial and follow up with all the contacts with this tag at a later date to seek referrals from them. One last tag idea relates to programs attended. You can have a quick overview of what programs your contact has attended. This would be particularly useful if you'd like to send them a form in the future in order to follow up on their progress, or a feedback form to get feedback about your service. Please note, you can create multiple tags, so feel free to add more than one. For example, you can see here that Isabel Dupree has 3 different hashtags connected to her contact. Furthermore, when I click on Isabel's profile, I can see the tags affiliated with Isabel here. Now, let me show you how to add a tag to an individual contact. To add another tag to Isabel's profile, you would simply select this tag icon here. This will bring up the Manage Tags window, where you will be able to select from pre-existing tags that you have previously created, or you can type in a new tag in the field here. In this example, I will type in a new tag called Fitness. An important note about typing in tags is you must hit the Enter or Return button on your keyboard after you've typed in the tag name, and then you'll see it populate here. Remember to press Save. And as you can see here, a third tag has been created for Isabel. Next, let me show you how to add a tag to multiple contacts at once. Let's go back to the list of all contacts. If you would like to group multiple contacts with the same tag, you can choose to bulk tag. Simply check the boxes of the contacts you'd like to tag here. Next, click on the tag icon. Then, enter a new name or choose from an existing tag. In this example, I will use the tag Wellness Coach. Remember to press Save when finished. Now, as you can see, the tag for Wellness Coach has been added to each of these 3 contacts. For Atlas in particular, he has other tags affiliated with his contact. Lastly in this video, I will show you how to edit or delete tags. To do this, you will need to go to the individual contact's profile page. For example, let's click on Atlas Winchester. Now, select the edit icon or the little pencil icon next to the tags. This will then bring up the Manage Tags window. You can then click inside a tag to edit the text. For example, I might want to change Family Referral to Family Referrals. Be sure to hit Enter on your keyboard to save the edits, and then click the Save button to save your changes. Lastly, to delete a tag, go back and open the Manage Tags window and simply select the X icon. You will see the tag disappear. Then click the Save button. Once you click the Save button, your changes will be saved successfully and the tag will be removed. And that's it. It's that easy. Thank you for watching this CoachVantage tutorial on tagging contacts. We're so excited that you're using our platform to help streamline your business. Happy coaching!